Something big is coming to Casselberry.
Our staff, students, and parents are excited that it is our time for a new campus.
While construction is already underway, school board members, Dr. Griffin, school staff, and local leaders recently held a groundbreaking for a new Casselberry Elementary campus. And to one school board member, this project is personal.
Casselberry holds a very special place in my heart. My 3 children attended this school, and I think I went to school with them here every single day as well. And this is where I began my adult SCPS adventure. I'm eternally grateful for the many opportunities that I have had because of this fine school.
The school was built in 1960 and hasn't had major upgrades since the 1980s.
Much of this project is being funded by the generosity of our sales tax, by the community raising sales tax, and we were able to utilize a good portion of that money to pay for a good portion of this project.
Much like with Pinecrest, the new Casselberry Elementary construction won't impact learning.
This was a very sophisticated project in order to figure out a way to keep the facility up and running so that we would have education proceeding in Casselberry while we were doing this major construction.
The new school is scheduled to be up and running for the 2022 school year.